Hey, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind this gigantic shirt on me. I was kind of doing a before and after type picture type thing, or the last time that I wore this shirt. At my heaviest, so don't mind. Today I am doing a product review. I am very excited about this product review because first off, I've seen tons of YouTubers that I watch, that I look up to, reviewing this product, that have all gave it amazing reviews. So I was so honored to be able to receive this Omega Power Creamer in the mail to review on my channel. So if you've already seen some people review this, Lauren Brazy has reviewed it. I think Catherine Michelle reviewed it. Pretty sure Keto Connect has probably reviewed it. I'm sure they have. They do a lot of product reviews. Justin Bravo has reviewed it. Our Fit Family has reviewed it. There are so many channels out there that have already reviewed this in the past few months, and they've all had really positive things to say about it. So like I said, I was so absolutely floored that I have the chance to try it out as well. So let me start off by saying this. Both of my other MCT oils that I normally use, they're just plain MCT oil. Their calories are like 130 calories for 1 tablespoon, and that's it. 130 calories, not bad, whatever. This is 120 calories, and it also has flavors. So there's the original, there's the natural cacao, there is the sweet vanilla, which I have here, and then there is cinnamon. Out of those 4, I wanted to try the sweet vanilla. I will be purchasing the other ones on my own because I do like this product so much. I love the taste. I love how I don't know. You guys have to try this for yourself. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. This is a total game changer in your coffee. If you use MCT oil, use this. I actually had a coffee, I didn't even have to put any heavy whipping cream in it. So if you're trying to cut off on the amount of fat that you're putting in your Bulletproof coffee, your morning coffee, whatever you do with your coffee in the morning, this is a great option because they're flavored MCT oils basically, and they are made with grass-fed ghee. I think these things are amazing, and I'm not just saying that. I love this thing. Now, I will say, I don't think this is meant for iced coffee. With the ghee and the coconut oil in it, it doesn't fare well in that temperature. And it even states here, refrigeration not necessary, store in cool, dark area. Product consistency will vary with temperature. Yeah, don't use it in iced coffee unless you like big clumps of blobs in your coffee. And hi, my name is Nacine, and I tried it first in my iced coffee. So it's for hot coffee, room temperature coffee, not iced cold coffee, but it is so good. It is gluten-free, 0 carbs, no gluten. It is lactose-free. It's for paleo, low carb, keto. The ingredients: grass-fed ghee, milk and cultures, organic extra virgin coconut oil, MCT oil, natural vanilla flavor, non-GMO sunflower, organic stevia extract. This is so good, you guys. I cannot stop saying that. After I'm done talking about it, I will insert some clips of me putting it in my coffee when I reviewed it, and I will show you also what happens if you put it into an iced coffee. This has 20 servings in it. It is coconut oil and MCT oil and grass-fed ghee. If you don't like the taste of coconut oil, I'm not completely sure what the other ones taste like. They all do have coconut oil in them as well, but there is a hint of coconut. You can kind of pick up on the coconut, but you can also taste the flavor, and it's not an overpowering flavor like the coconut. It's not like, oh my god, this is so coconutty. And again, it's not like, oh my god, this is too much like vanilla. Again, I didn't have to put any heavy cream in it. I did put a drop of stevia in it after the first drink, and that is only because I do like my coffee sweeter, but I just put like 2 little drops of the sweet drops of stevia in it, and it was perfection. I drank the whole glass, and that's very rare for me because I need heavy whipping cream in my coffees. Like, I cannot drink a coffee without heavy whipping cream. I did not have to use any when I used this. This thing is so amazing. Even just tasting it right out of here, this is, it's good. It's crazy. It does say shake before using, and it's just a really convenient thing to have when you get up early in the morning and you're making your coffee and you're measuring everything out, because I measure everything out. This is my normal coffee routine. I get my coffee out, I pour my coffee in my cup, I put 1 scoop of my collagen in, then I put my drops of stevia in, then I get my little tablespoon out and I pour all my whipping creams in and pour those in, then I get my tablespoon out and I pour my MCT oil in, and then I stir it all together, and then I have my coffee. With this, I brewed my coffee, I got my tablespoon out and stirred it up, and I was ready to go. And then a couple of little drops of stevia. But I highly recommend this, you guys. Everybody has given it great reviews. I've not seen any negative reviews about it. The only thing I would say is I wish I could put it in iced coffee because I'm an iced coffee girl, but I understand why it can't go into an iced coffee. It's coconut oil, you know, that doesn't fare well in iced coffee. If you do go to their website and you are interested in trying any of their products listed, I do have a discount code that will give you 10% off of your order. These retail for $19.95 each, so use code KETOMOMMA. I will put that right there and down in the description box below to get 10% off of this creamer. They do sell a bundle pack of all 4 creamers for $75. They sell a milk frother. They do sell ketones and protein powders and another just plain MCT oil on their website as well. So go check them out. I will leave their website link below. Yeah, you guys, if you've tried this product and you love it or hate it, let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Sound off in the comments below. I'm gonna continue using this because this is my new bae and I love it so much. I love it. All right, guys, make some great decisions today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. That was really lame. Bye. It does not work in iced coffee. I have a hot cup of coffee here, and I also have an iced coffee here. And as you can see, it's clumped up. Now, my old MCT oil that I normally use, I put it in my iced coffee every day and I do not have a problem. However, I think because of the ghee and the coconut oil in this, that's what's turning it solid. But it says here, it says right here that the product consistency will vary with temperature. Very true. So I couldn't give it an honest review with an iced coffee, so I made myself a small glass of coffee. And all I have in this coffee is the creamer, nothing else. I have all of my things in here. So like normally I put in my collagen peptides, my sweet drops of stevia, some heavy whipping cream, and then 1 tablespoon of MCT oil into my iced coffee. Since I already have all that in that, I don't need all of that again. So I just have my little small cup of coffee with 1 tablespoon of the Omega Power Creamer. I'm gonna let this cool off for a second because I'm totally not into sipping on extremely hot coffee, and then I will let you know how it tastes. So now I'm going to try it. That is good. I can still taste the coconut, just a hint of coconut, and possibly the ghee. You know, I don't really know what ghee tastes like, but I taste another flavor, and MCT oil doesn't have a taste, so I'm assuming it's the ghee. And a little bit of the vanilla. It's really good though, actually. So, yep, if you're interested in this, in the description box below, I will link the website. You can click there and you can buy it. thank you so much for sending me this to try. I really appreciate it, and I'm really happy because I had a lot of people asking me about it, and I'm glad that I can finally give them an honest answer about it. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. You can always email me, and I hope you guys have a great day.